Why do 90% of MacBook Air users struggle with storage? Here's how you can fix it. Step 1. Empty the trash. Right-click the trash icon and select Empty Trash. Step 2. Delete large and unused files. Go to Apple menu. About this Mac storage. Manage to find and delete those space hogs. Step 3. Clear your Downloads folder. Open Finder. Downloads and delete unnecessary files. Step 4. Uninstall unused apps. Drag them from applications to the trash and empty it. Step 5. Remove system junk and cache. In Finder, click Go. Go to Folder, type Alt Library / Caches, and delete unneeded cache files. Step 6. Optimize storage. Go to System Settings, General Storage. Enable Optimize storage and empty trash automatically. Step 7. Delete old backups. Remove old iPhone or iPad backups from Finder. Manage backups. Step 8. Clear messages and attachments. Delete large iMessage conversations and attachments. Step 9. Move files to iCloud or an external drive. Store photos, videos, and documents in iCloud Drive or an external hard drive. Step 10. Check for duplicate files. Use Finder or a third-party app to remove duplicates. Boom! Your MacBook Air should now have plenty of breathing room. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.